Hey, I just had to rush this message out to you, because I know you will be needing this in times like this. So, please read this fast, and pay close attention. Listen, unless you've been living under a rock or something for the last year, then surely you're well aware of all the craziness going on with the economy right now. GDP is down. Unemployment is up. The general public is worried and the experts are all telling us that things are only going to get worse, for the foreseeable future. Well, that may not be great for most people, but for you, it doesn't have to matter what's happening out there in the world. Click the link in description to see why, for you, the future is in your hands. Because, while we are rapidly moving to a new economy and lifestyle, those of us in the know will profit like wild. In fact, those of us in the know are already profiting, today, right now. And we're making more than ever before. Because we know the secret to tapping people's deep-rooted desires. And these desires and impulses get people addicted to buying from us. Imagine, someone literally hooked on sending you money, month in and month out. Want to see how to do it? Then check out Perpetual Income 365 in the description.